It seems to me that U2 is always the test for the new PRG product, because it was first with the space frame and first with this here. So in the Joshua Tree we had great results with the space frame. It worked really well, it did its job, especially in inclement weather and wind. So that was success. This here, the quality is great and it achieves everything that we want from a creative perspective and also as a production perspective, because we would not have been able to use the flying catwalk if we had not got a lighter product.
So the PURE10 allowed more resolution, which allowed greater graphics for this show throughout the whole show, whether it's the computer-generated graphics or the iMag, and then the floating sort of video element that we have called the bridge or the beam, call it different things. That came around because of the weight capacity that we gained by having a lighter product. And this is also about 70% more see-through. So you know, the more audience can see Bono when he's in the screen, or the band. And so that we play a lot more in this show with this sort of texture between inside and outside and revealing the band and not seeing the band and stuff. So it's pretty amazing.
The product's doing really well on the tour. Packages really well, and what's good for the tour is that after we finish building, all the dollies and everything can stack and go away into smaller spaces. So it's not just about trucks, it's also about the venue space and where we put everything after we've built.
PRG give us the details and the requirements. So our team started to think about how to work according to the requirements. The challenge is the resolution and also the transparency. So how to keep the high transparency at the same time to be higher resolution as higher as possible. Yeah, and another challenge is to keep the weight to be light, as light as possible. Yeah. eXnovo team and the PRG team work together, make a very good solutions.
In every development that we do, we have to set the criteria right. And one of the first ones is, are we solving a green issue here? So in every development, that is one of the top 3 questions that we ask ourselves. Second question would be, are we solving a creative solution? And are we, thirdly, creating new possibilities for designers to come up with new innovative designs to propose to their customers? As it always goes with concert touring, we're trying to push technology to the limit of its abilities.